Hello. This is 4K 30. Okay. Just unplug my headphones. Put those there for now. Grab my socks. So, ow! I just kicked the fucking speaker. So, what is going to be happening now is, I know it's a bad angle. It's a good angle because I'm putting on socks. Why? Because I'm gonna go outside in the garage and clean the central vac now. The 4K 60 video just uploaded, and it's gonna take quite a long time for the video to fucking process. Ay. But what I'm gonna do now is I got you ass. I have. Ow! Hold on. Let me put this in here. I have the fan. Hold on. Microphone was upside down. Now it doesn't want to stay. Oh my god, now it doesn't want to stay in my ear, dude. Oh my god. I just cleaned my ears too. I'll be so glad when I get the freaking Turtle Beach one. So I'm gonna take this little fan here because we're going to go outside in the laundry room, through the laundry room, and we are going to clean the central vacuum because I don't know when the last time it was cleaned. So the reason why I have the fan here is because there's gonna be lots of dust, okay, and I need to so it doesn't go all in my face. Alright, and it's gonna be on high, and it's gonna move around a lot. Let's hope it doesn't fall off the fucking thing. I'm gonna unplug the vacuum and then unplug the fuck, I just unplugged the garage door. God damn it. Fuck you. Okay, plug that in. Okay, so that's plugged in. That's going. Now, I know, I'm in freaking socks. I'm an idiot. Where's my shoes? My work shoes. Do. So, yeah. Ready? God damn. I just remembered. I need the garbage can. Fuck! How am I gonna do this? Okay. Let me just unplug these. I don't fucking need them right now. What I need. That's not long enough. Shit! There we go. That's a lot. Holy fuck. All right, now. That's why now move that out of the way. Hold on. And how are we gonna do this? How am I gonna do this?